Welcome to Carter's Corner Pocket, where we feel the rocket. Today, I'm talking GameStop. GameStop, $30.10. In the pre-market right now, it's $29.97. Max Payne is right at 30. So I envision them coming in right under 30. You know how they work the system. You know how they manipulate it. That's okay to me because I'm a long-term investor, and we see it going up and to the right over a long period of time, and that's where I'm going to be here for a long period of time. I see no bearish divergence, on the daily chart right now. As you can see, is tracing the MACD at the moment. We're in a general upward trend. We have a lot of strength. We had $6 billion in cash, which we have now purchased $500 million worth of Bitcoin, 4,710, around 500 million. We'll find out at the annual shareholders meeting at earnings. And yeah, so we know, what do we know? We know that GameStop has 4,710 Bitcoin. We know that GameStop has a lot of cash, $5.5 billion in cash. And we are strong on the balance sheet. We are strong hedging the US dollar for inflation, which the US dollar seems like everybody's attacking it right now. Let's go ahead and see. US dollar set to fall, Morgan Stanley says. So just before I read this, because it's like record shorts on the US dollar since 2023. So yeah, the United States, Bank of America analysts, they think the markets are way too dovish on Fed policy in 2026. They think that last week's Treasury rally and market expectations for Fed rate cuts in 2026 are way overdone. The short positions in the US dollar, as I'm going to show you now, is reaching levels not seen since 2023. There's worries about a weaker economy, trade conflict, expectations of multiple Fed rate cuts next year have worked to weaken the world's reserve currency of the US dollar. The Dixie Index, right? We have the Dixie Index. That's the dollar index. It's close to its lowest level since early 2022 at $98.83. Analysts, which are from Morgan Stanley, they expect the DXY, the Dixie Index, to fall to 91 over the next 12 months. So they see the US dollar continuing to decrease, all while the yen, the Swiss franc, and the euro are on its way up. So that's what we have brewing right now. And this week was durable goods. I believe that came in low at down 6%, durable goods index. But I don't want to say that, but let's see. Let's take a look. I mean, who cares? I don't need to be perfect on here because I just need to be myself for me. That's it. And you should do the same thing for you. What were we looking at? Durable goods index. Let's see. What happened? Monthly full report. Durable goods orders steady at minus 7.5%. Steady. Down 7.5%. Okay, well, if that's true, I also saw a 6.3% number, but I'm not sure if that was the previous month. So consumer spending is going down on durable goods. These are longer term goods that have a shelf life of up to 3 years. So yeah, consumer spending going down, right? And what's also funny is I believe the payroll, the salaries were at a higher rate than previously, but people are still spending less. So that lets you know the economy and inflation is real, no matter what they tell you. Yeah, but also the US dollar that we go out and earn. Oh, wow, we're earning so much more money. Okay, let's see. We're earning so much more money, but the dollar is devaluing as we're working hard and earning that money. So let's see. And it's going to continue to do that. So be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Just go out into the world, be happy, live your life with your family, be calm, be at peace. Don't release negative chemicals into your mind. And yeah, just watch our money devalue. So here we go. That's probably why Ryan Cohen is getting into Bitcoin, which he has raised $1.5 billion for on a senior convertible note at 0% interest. So yeah, so we have that European Central Bank meeting on Thursday. A 25 basis point rate cut has already been priced in, so we'll see if that fluctuates, if it differs from 25 basis points. U.S. jobs report is coming out on Friday. We need to take a look at that. So yeah, for the U.S. dollar, I'm going to read something quick, then I'm going to get off because honestly, I got to get ready. I have to go to work. Got to get the kids ready. It's already a little late, but I want to do something. Dollar short position close to its highest since 2023. You can take a look over here. Wow, yeah. Leverage funds are over here. Total leverage funds 2023. Oh, true. My bad. My bad. These are net positions on currency pairs in the dollar index. Okay, so as you can see, the lower the net positions are there. Yeah, okay, so the lower this drops, it was like a complete stop, like brain freeze stop right there. Should I leave it in? Should I leave it in? I don't know. Okay, so what else do we have? We have the dollar short position right here in front of your face. Okay, you can see how low it is over here, 2023, and we are almost that low right now. So what are we doing? We're coming up, doing this little thing, this little dance. But as you can see, people are shorting the dollar. Not good for the U.S., better for the rest of the world. So that's the daily update on GameStop. Ryan Cohen came out, spoke, gave guidance. To me, it's guidance. I don't need little specifics. He's basically said GameStop is profitable now. We're investing in Bitcoin because of like a hedge to inflation. If you believe that thesis, which is great, grand. I mean, I know he's done his research. He's a very thorough person, and he's not going to put money into it, especially our money, which is his money because he's the largest shareholder of GameStop. Takes zero salary, constantly buys the stock. He's putting his money on the line. So that's where we are at GameStop right now, 29.97 pre-market. I see us trading sideways, maybe even coming down. I definitely expect us to be under 30 for below max pain, but there have been crazy weeks. Ryan Cohen for the next week, who knows what he can say, or he can say nothing. He can announce a catalyst, or we can continue on with this game. All good with me because I will continue accumulating shares. I hope this thing drags out a little bit longer so I can just keeping on. And I hope y'all do too. Can't stop, won't stop, GameStop. Peace.